2 butterflies.
Hi.
Ano yun naman, parang siyang chocolate banay lang po. Yeah, you smell, sir, like a...
Ano kakabulag?
Hindi, ito po yun lang. Takot lang yan. Para hindi paglarian mga butterflies sa mga bata. Okay, so you smell like a chocolate.
Yes, it does. So you have chocolate hills and you have chocolate butterflies.
This male butterfly we can use for attract for the female.
Wow, why in me?
Okay, kupa tayo ma'am. At ito yung tinatawag na
Because the butterfly knows he gives him dinner later.
lady butterfly yan ma'am. Nagpatay-patayan pag nakikita siya pa dito.
He acts dead when he or she saw a predator.
Ah.